is our main weapon on offense, and he was struggling in the first part of the game, but he did not quit. That's a reason why we should be happy, because he knows that he is our main option on offense, and he delivered the goods for us in the end. So hopefully he can be consistent with his game, not just in the second half, but from the opening tip up to the final buzzer.
At alam naman natin si James Yap, sabi nga ni Coach Ryan, alam naman niya kung anong papel niya rito, umiscore. And he will do that for you. Tulad dito, TM3, hatid sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte SIM, 30 pesos lang, may bagong diskarte ka na. Down to a 3-point lead para sa Santa Lucia. Pero nasa kanilang bola, Bitoy Umalon. Binigay kay Joseph Yo to Paulo Mendoza. And they swing it around to Marlo Aquino. Hindi pa rin binabalik si Wesley Wilson, ha? Marlo had to take the shot. And the rebound, relieving.
The three main guys of Santa Lucia all in the bench. You have Wesley Wilson on the bench,
Kelly
Williams on the bench, and the catalyst of the uprising in the third quarter, Ryan Reyes, also in the bench. Pati si Dennis Espino. So this is a full second unit para dito sa Santa Lucia.
To their credit, sila pa rin ang lamang, pero they just squandered an 11-point spread. And there's a push by Relibi. Hoy, nanonood pala sila sa Casino Espanyol Club. Hercules Bico, SP, Rudy Lito, galing sa kitchen, and sa dining room, sa Captain Alex and Louis Pinong. Duster, Ricky George, Onyong Chang. Ang dami nila. Thank you. Manny and Norsky Garcia and their kids. There's Casino Espanyol. Relibi with another rebound. PJ Simon. Whoops, in and out. And here comes Paulo Mendoza. Umaatake na naman ang Santa Lucia. Ay, Relibi foils Joseph Yo, and PJ Simon gets it to roll in with a foul. Ibang klase talaga itong batang ito. You just have to marvel at the energy and intensity of Peter Jun Simon.
Well, it starts right here. After this block, good block on the part of Relibi. Deerfoot's chance to go up and running. Buelo mula dito kay Peter Jun Simon. Pag buelo niyan, hirap na bigilin ito si Peter Jun Simon.
At saka lakas ng Pectus, ano? Yung Pectus ni Subota. Nasa ilalim ng ring yun, pumasok po. Bumapang papaloob. And a three-point play opportunity here for Simon as Wesley Wilson prepares or reports to the officials' table.
At ito, unti-unti na rin, binabalik ng Santa Lucia yung mga players that were able to give them that lead. Ryan Reyes is back. Kelly Williams is back. And then, ito na, Denok Miranda is back. And the two other guys that were in that unit, pabalik na rin, Dennis Espino and Wesley Wilson.
And it is down to a one-point lead for Santa Lucia. Marlo, following jumper, short. James Yap. A minute and 35 to go in the third. James Yap inside. Yes! Pinagulong din ni James Yap ang bola. And Deerfools is back in the lead. Ryan Reyes gets it back para sa Santa Lucia in a jiffy.
No cheered offense para sa Santa Lucia. Not really a great shot mula kay Ryan Reyes. Only 1-on-4 situation. But it's never a bad shot if it goes in.
Yeah. James Yap. Pinandahan si Denok Miranda. TM3 again. Para kay James Yap, he has 19 points now.
Sabi ni James Yap kanina in the interview, gusto niyang makabawi, and he is taking it upon himself na makabawi itong team niya.
Kaya naman talaga ni Uy. Marlo Aquino challenging Relibi. Here comes Chico Lanete. And his pass inside is broken up. Dennis Da. Hey, Lanete gets it back. And just before he lost his balance, he tried to signal for a timeout. But referee Cañizares says, no way.
That's just a poor decision on Dennis Da to dribble that basketball. He knows na parating na si Chico Lanete. Let's see if he has enough time to call that timeout. Well, you can see right there, he's signaling. Pero sinasabi ng referee
nakatapak na raw. Hindi natin na nakita yung paa niya kung nakatapak na ba.
I believe the rule is you should be able to have possession and you are not going out of bounds. And ito si Chico was on his way out of bounds.
Meanwhile, Dennis Espino hits another three-point shot. Tientres yan. Galing kay Dennis Espino, 12 points for Espino. 15 seconds left in the third.
And look at this matchup. Chico Lanete against Kelly Williams.
And Wesley Wilson beats Ralini to the rebound. Near steal by Chico Lanete. And yung dalawang referee parehong hindi nakita kasi Chico Lanete was saying na tumama sa ulo. So a jump ball ensues. The two referees looked at each other. They couldn't decide.
Pero nakakatawa pareho marami yung mga fans natin dito. May fans ng Santa Lucia, may fans ng Pure Foods. Lahat sila nagbubu dahil pakiramdam nila, bola nila. Tingnan natin dito. We might catch it on slow-mo. Ooh, looks like Denok Miranda had a touch at that basketball.
And the loose ball. Ayun, malinaw na malinaw. Last touch si Kelly Williams. 1.8 seconds left in the third. The clock starts when a player on the inbounds touches the ball. Kelly Williams is complaining about something to the referee. But the third quarter is over. There's James Yap and his number. 19 points, 9 of them here in the third. At nananalasa pa rin sa kanyang three-point shooting, but he was also at this beautiful layup. And at the end of the third, Santa Lucia hanging on to a 1-point lead at 60-59. We'll be back with the final quarter.